Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about the tips and tricks to make sure that your gig runs more smoothly, hopefully get you more gigs. In this video we'll be talking about eye contact. This is the people on stage looking at members of the audience. You don't have to look at everyone, you've just got to be looking out into the audience. Don't look down at your feet. It looks very unprofessional to be looking down at your feet. Look out into the audience. People feel like you're making eye contact with them, and occasionally you can make eye contact with somebody and exchange smiles and stuff like that, and it always goes down well. Don't look at your feet. Your face expresses everything. It can show whether you're enjoying yourself on stage or you're just simply ploughing through the motions. Again, you can't smile during a sad song. That would just look wrong. But if you're a good time party band and you're singing party songs, a smile should be on your face. So make eye contact with the audience. You'll be surprised how much that works, because it makes them feel like you are with them on the gig. You are one of them. You're there to entertain. If you're looking at your feet, it can look very, very boring to an audience member. Again, you can also be over the top. Not too over the top, because then that looks forced. Just a little bit over the top. You know, smile, jump around, have fun. But too much looks like you are trying to have fun rather than just simply having fun. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep practicing, and as always, goodbye.